Should the light switch timer not operate your light switch, the following is useful to identify the problem. Remove the unit from the cradle and press the manual on-off buttons. You will hear the mechanism moving and the rollers going up or down on the back. Decide which type of light switch you would like to operate the light switch timer on, and position the wheel or wheels using the numbered lines as a reference point for the position of the switch. To remove the wheels, ensure the carriage is in the off position, i.e. rolled up. Place index finger behind the wheel and pop the wheel out of its position. If the unit still does not work, you may need to use the inserts provided as the wheel is not making contact with the switch. The N-shaped inserts will reduce the gap between the switch and the wheel and allow the wheels to contact and roll over the face of your switch. Reinstall the cradle, retighten the screws and insert the unit.